What's the meaning of cellmate? Cellmate. Cellmate.
Cellmate. Cellmate. A cellmate is a person who shares a prison cell with another prisoner. They may be assigned to share a cell based on factors such as their offense, behavior, or personal characteristics. Cellmates spend a significant amount of time together in close quarters, often sharing amenities such as a bed, toilet, and sink. The relationship between cellmates can vary widely, ranging from friendly to hostile. In some cases, cellmates may form close bonds and provide a source of support for each other during their incarceration.